ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यास 11-16 अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रम् अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रं पदच्छेदे अनेक बाहु उदर वक्र नेत्रं पश्यामि त्वां सर्वतोऽनन्तरूपं पदच्छेदे पश्यामि त्वां सर्वतः अनन्तरूपं नान्तं न मध्यं न पुनस्तवादिं पदच्छेदे न अन्तं न मध्यं न पुनः तव आदिं पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप पदच्छेदे पश्यामि विश्व ईश्वर विश्वरूप। वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषण। उद्देश्य विभागे कर्तृपदीयाः, विधेय विभागे कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः। अहं त्वाम् अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रम् अनन्तरूपं सर्वतः पश्यामि। विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप अहं न अन्तं तव पुनः पश्यामि, अहं न मध्यं तव पुनः पश्यामि, अहं न आदिं तव पुनः पश्यामि. The three phrases na antam, na madhyam, na adim suggest that there should be three separate vakyamshaha. Otherwise, it could have been a single sentence with single na. That is, punaha aham tava antam madhyam adim na pashyami. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः। त्वाम् अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रं सर्वतः अनन्तरूपं पश्यामि। त्वां युष्मत् सर्वनाम द्वितीया एकवचनम्। अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रम् अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्र विशेषणम्। अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं। न एकम् इति अनेकम्। अनेके बाहवः अनेकानि उदराणि अनेकानि वक्त्राणि अनेकानि नेत्राणि यस्य सः अनेकबाहूदरवक्त्रनेत्रः बहुव्रीहि। वक्त्र वक्त्यानेन वच्करणे स्ट्रन् द माउथ द फेस। सर्वतः सर्व सर्वनाम प्लस तहसील 5-1। अनन्तरूप विशेषणम्। अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनम्। अनेकानि रूपाणि यस्य सः अनेकरूपः बहुव्रीहि। रूपं रूप क भावे अच्वा। फॉर्म फिगर अपीयरेंस। विरूपं रूपवन्तं वा पुमानित्येव भुञ्जते। दिस इज फ्रॉम पंचतंत्र। So surupa kurupa like that. Form or the quality of color, one of the 24 gunas of the Vaisheshika. Chakshurmatragaya bhati jatimanam guno rupam. It is of 6 kinds: Shukla, Krishna, Pita, Rakta, Harita, Kapila, or of 7 if Chitra to be added. Any visible object or anything or thing, a handsome form or figure, beautiful form, beauty, elegance, grace. मानुषीषु कथं वा स्यात् अस्य रूपस्य संभवः वा। विद्यानाम नरस्य रूपमधिकं रूपं जराहन्ति। Natural state or condition, nature, property, characteristic, essence, circumstances opposite to time and place. देशं रूपं च कालं च व्यवहार विधौ स्थितः. Mode, manner, a sign, feature, kind, sort, species, so many different meanings. How many? 16, 17, 18, 24, 25. So many different meanings. According to the context. Rupa is frequently used at the end of compound, like here Anantarupa, in the sense of form or composed of, consisting of, in the form of, namely, having the appearance or color of. Taporupam dhanam, taporupam dhanam, dharmarupah sakha. पश्यामि। दृश् धातोः लटि उत्तमपुरुषः एकवचनं। दृश् दृशिर् प्रेक्षणे, टू सी, टू लुक, भ्वादि प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, सकर्मकः अनिट्। विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप, पुनः तव न अन्तं न मध्यं न आदिं पश्यामि। विश्वेश्वर, विश्वेश्वर विशेषणम्। अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं सम्बोधनमेकवचनं। विश्वस्य ईश्वरः इति विश्वेश्वरः, षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः। शब्दकल्पद्रुमे विश्वं, क्लीबे, विशति स्वकारणमिति विश् प्रवेशने, अशुप्रशिड टिफणीति, दिस इज फ्रॉम उनादि सूत्र, इति क्वन। सो विश् प्लस क्वन becomes विश्व, जगत इति मेदे। In Apted dictionary, विश्व, pronominal objective, विश्व. Here Unadi 1.151 has been quoted. Yeah, same, Unadi 1-151. All, who, whole, entire, universal, sa sarvanama sacha vishwarupaha, again vishwarupaha. Bhagavatam, this is 6th skandha, 4th adhyaya, 28th shloka. Every, everyone, all pervading, omnipresent, masculine plural, name of a particular group of deities, 10 in number, and supposed to be sons of Vishwa. Their names are Vasu, Satyah, Kraturdaksha, Kala, Kamo, Dhruti, Kuruhu, Pururava, Madravashya, Vishve Deva, Prakirtitaha. Deva Sadhya Sadha Vishve, Tathaiva cha Maharshaya. This is from Bhagavad Gita 11.22 also. Vishwam, the universe, the whole world. Idam Vishwam Palyam. Vishwasmin Adhuna Jnana, Adhuna Anyaha, Kulavratam Palayishyati Kaha. So Vishwaha, the soul, Adhyatma Ramayana, the intellectual faculty. Vishwaha, a citizen Nagaraha, and Vishwa, the earth. What different meanings, mind-boggling. Ishvaraha, Visheshanam, Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Ishvara, adjective. Ishvara or Ishvari, feminine. Ishvarach. This is as per Panini Sutram 3-2-175. Powerful, able, capable of. Vasatim priyakaminam priyas tvadrute prapayitum kaha Ishvaraha. Lord, Master, the Supreme God, Parmeshwar. Isha eva hamatyartham nacha mami shate pare dadami cha sadaishwaryam Ishwarastena kirtitaha. Definition of Ishwara. Ishwarastu parjanyavat drashtavya. This is by in Shankar Bhashya on Brahma Sutra. Vishva Ishaha or Vishva Ishvaraha. Also Vishwamishvara as one word used in the Mahabharata and Kuruma Purana. The Supreme Being, Lord of the universe. Vishveshwara, Vishveshwaraha, Vishwamishvara. All mean the Supreme Being. Vishwarupa, Vishwarupa Visheshanam. Atra Sambodhanam Ekvachanam. Vishwam Rupam Yasya Saha Vishwarupaha. Vishwameva Rupam Yasya Saha Vishwarupaha. Vishve Vishwasmin Rupani Yasya Saha Vishwarupaha. Vishwani Rupani Yasya Saha Vishwarupaha. Wow. Vishwa, नाम, सर्वनाम और सार्वनामिक विशेषण. शब्द कल्पद्रु में विश्वम, क्लीबे, विशति स्वकार. This we have seen earlier, meaning jagat iti medini. Vishwaha, पुल्लिंगम, गणदेवता विशेषः इति अमरः. Vishwaha, 3 means विशेषण in all the 3 lingas. Vish plus kwan, sakalam iti अमरः. Vishwarupa, omnipresent, existing everywhere. Tasmin yasho nihitam vishwarupam. This is from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 2-2-2. Punaha, again, avyayam, tava, yushmat, sarvanama, shashti, ekvachanam, no, no, not, avyayam, antam, anta, limit, pullingam, dvitiya, ekvachanam, madhyam, madhya, middle, visheshanam, pullingam, napusakalingam va, dvitiya, ekvachanam, adim, adi, beginning, visheshanam, pullingam, dvitiya, ekvachanam. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Tvam sarvataha aneka bahudara vaktanetram ananta rupam pashyami. I see you all around, sarvataha, as having innumerable arms, stomachs, mouths and eyes. That too with innumerable forms, ananta rupa, shapes, sizes, colors, rather manifestations. Vishveshwara Vishwarupa punahatam tava na antam na madhyam na adim pashyami. Ye master of the universe, ye having universe itself as form, I do not see where your form begins, how expansive the middle of your form is. I see that your form is limitless, endless. Chando Vishleshana. Aneka bahudara vakta netram. Ekadasha aksharaणि. Eka dve eka, dve dve eka, eka dve eka, dve dve matraha. Jata jagaga ganaihi upendra vajravrittam. Pashyami tvam sarvato nanta rupam. Ekadasha aksharaणि. Dve dve dve. See, po also gets two matras because of sha. So pashyami tvam, again mi also gets two matras. So dve dve dve. Dve dve eka. Dve dve eka, dve dve matraha. Matata gaga ganaihi shalini vrittam. Nantam na madhyam na punastavadi. Dve dve eka, dve dve eka, eka dve eka, dve dve matraha. Tata jagaga ganaihi indravajra vrittam. Now, pashyami vishveshwara vishwarupa. Oh, I made a mistake here. Pashyami. So this is 2 to 1. And Vishveshwara 2 to 1. And Vishwarupa 1 to 1, 2 to Matra. So this again is Indravaja. You become 2 to 1. So Tata Jagaga. Indravaja. Asmin Ekadashadhyaye Shodashe Shloke Upajati Chandaha. Upajati because it is a mix-up of Upendra Vajra, Shalini, Indra Vajra. Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. The words Vishveshwara, Vishwarupa merit inquisitive study, as has been attempted above. All that cannot be summarized in Anvayarthaha, overall meaning. It is important hence to note the Shabdabhyasaha of every word. It is interesting that the word Vishwa is a noun with its meaning as Jagat, the world, the universe. This is relevant for Vishwasya Vishwaraha iti Vishveshwaraha. But when deciphering the other word, Vishwarupa, there are options. One may take cognizance that the word Vishwa is also a pronominal adjective, Sarvanamikam Visheshanam. Vishwam meaning omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. One can decipher Vishwarupa as Vishwam Rupam Yasya Saha, Vishwameva Rupam Yasya Saha, Vishwe Vishwasmin Va Rupani Yasya Saha, Vishwani Rupani Yasya Saha. One is left wondering whether Arjuna had all these shades of meaning in mind when he addressed Sri Krishna Bhagavan as Vishveshwara, Vishwarupa. Maybe yes, he was intelligent enough, he was smart enough to address him like that. Shubhamastu.